Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 9 of Loving my minis in February. I'm so excited. I have my $8 for day 9, and I just saw Brittany over at Budgeting with the Ginger. She showed some little dashboards and stuff that she made for March, and I immediately went over because that was adorable, and I was going to make some for March. And I was like, you know what? Hers is cute. Hers are super cute. I'm just going to go with that. And I'm loving Kimmy's. I am using Kimmy's Corner. It's on her Ko-fi for a small little fee. Worth every penny. Look at how adorable all of these are. So cute. So let's put our $8 in our bank. Can't believe we're just buzzing right along. Day 9. Crazy. So I have my prep coins here, and then we are starting at number 7. Okay, so let's make sure, go crooked. Yeah, my phone holder thing is still broken, but we're in a make it work situation, and I feel like it's still kind of working. Did I make it worse? We're just going to go with that. Okay, so how are you? I forgot the Super Bowl was on, so I don't even know if it's still on right now when I'm filming this. So I have no idea. So don't know who won. Did you watch it? What was your favorite snack? I guess we're starting. All right, 1, 2, and 3 for number 7. I don't even know if the commercials are good enough to like chat about. If you enjoyed the commercials, please let me know. I will go look them up on YouTube. And 1, 2, 3 for number 2. 2 for number 3. 1, 2 for number 4. 1 and 2 for number 5. I've been working on orders and packing orders all day. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm making a little bit of progress. 1, 2, and 3. And then number 8. It's getting a 1, and we still have more to go back to number 1. Which got 2. 2 got 2, and we have 2 left. So let's see what 3 is going to get. 3 is going to get 1. All right. So number 4 will get 1, and we will start on number 5 next time. All right. Let's see what we have going on. I think these 2 markers. And let's see. All right, number 1. Trying to get it all right side up. Number 1 got 75 cents. And I was trying to think of the word blaster. That was the word I was looking for when I couldn't remember what his weapon was called. So Han Solo. So we have, let's do the blue. So we can mark off 3 blasters. 1, 2, and 3. So we still have 75 cents we need to save $5. And this is from SW Fanatic Saves. And she has awesome Star Wars stuff. Oh, I didn't bring my little cup. Here's my little cup. Okay, and then number 2 got 25, 25, $1.25. And this one, oh, it only needed 75 cents. All right, so I'm going to take 75 cents, put it in the cup. I'm going to color in 3 hearts. This one is from Kimmy's Corner, and it saved us $3. All right, so I put that to the side. And we still have 50 cents. I did remember to fill up my queue. Yay. So let's just reach in. See something with pink on it? Okay. Oops, I got 2. We'll do the one with the pink on it. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This will save us $4, so we can put in or mark off 2 spots, 1 and 2. Cute. Telling you, at some point I'm going to have an all Lindsay binder. And I'm totally okay with that. All right. Why do I keep putting things upside down? All right. Number 3 got $1. That's exciting. Oh, and this one is from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. So I can color in another row. So I will do that. Okay, this will save us $4, and I will have everybody linked below, so please, I would love for you to check out anyone you might not have heard of, maybe meet a new friend. All right, 75 cents going into number 4. This one is from our friend Judy. It's Save with Judy, so let's do the rest of the row, the top row. So we'll do 3 pumpkins. Awesome. This one's going to save us $7. That's kind of a crazy amount, but awesome. So yay, our streak continues. We had one finish. That's pretty cool. All right, 50 cents going into number 5. This one is from Becca Budget 777. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so we have 2. Mark off 2 spots. So we need $1.25 to save that $6. All right, number 6. Number 6 got 75 cents. And this is, oh, it needed 50. This is from Norellis Budgets. Baby girl, you got this. All right, so we're going to color in 2 spots. And this will save us $6. Okay. And we need a new one, and we have something going, money we can put into it. What's way back here? This will save us $6. This is from Cash and Coin Crew. Got a little Halloween one. Looks like I laminated it. Cool. All right, let's do the blue so we can mark off 1 box. All right. And then number 7 got a bunch. All right, we got 50. Ooh. All right, got 2 50s. And then, so $2 went into number 7. What on earth is in here? Ah, Financial Dreams with Christine. The Carpe Diem Seize the Day, Dead Poets Society. So we have $2. So 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $2. So 75 more cents and this one will be done. Look at all these little coins. That's so fun. Like, how many times have I said fun? A lot. Oh, we got $1 on this one. Number 8 got $1. All right, so this is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we need 25, 50, 75, $1. So this one needs 75 cents and then this one will be done. Awesome. All right, so that's that. Let's go back. Ooh, let's knock over our coins and then go back to the front to our bank. So we have 6 and 3, so we need $9. So we'll do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm just so excited that the streak continues. All right, so we're going to put this in the completed. And then we finish 2 more to go in here. So before I forget, let me put my prop coins away. And stick it in there like that. Yay! We finished 2 on day 9 and I can still close it. Pretty good, pretty good. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Yay! Yay for finishing 2 challenges, keeping the streak alive. Tomorrow will be day 10. Please come back and say hi and let me know how you're doing. And until next time, take care. Bye.